I really hope you guys can see this. Right there, there's a rainbow. The sky is really pink right now, and it's so pretty. Shoot. Those stupid clouds are blocking the other side of the rainbow, but when they move, I'll definitely turn the camera back on to show you guys, because this is really pretty. Like, as you can see, the horizon is just normal, and then up it's all pink and purple and pretty. Oh, there's part of the rainbow.